Hey guys, super quick demo for you today. I'll be showing you how to automatically generate a job aid based off of information provided in an onboarding form. In this scenario, there's an accounts receivable team that wants to generate a set of instructions on how to access certain buyers' portals, how to enter and input the correct data, and how to submit it all properly. Since every buyer and supplier relationship is unique, so too will every set of instructions. So normally this is a very manual process where at best the team is able to utilize previous job aids created, reference them, manually create their own, fill it in, etc. However, thanks to Tonkean, we're going to automate all this, and essentially based off of the same business logic, we're going to use a master template, and based off of the data input in the beginning of the form, we're going to pick and choose what's important, what's necessary, and create a custom set of instructions, including replacing certain key variables like passwords or usernames, for instance. And this will create a full set of instructions that are custom to the situation, and they'll be good to go. So that's enough introduction. We'll hop into it, and I'll show you how this works and then how I built it on Tonkean. So here we are. What portal does this buyer use? In this case, we will be going with Ariba. Login information. What's a good password? We'll just say pass woo. What invoice fields do we need to send to the buyer? Let's do account number, invoice number, and date. Do line items need to be input for each invoice? In this case, I believe so. We'll choose the line item, product code, the order amount, the net amount. That should be good. Do invoices need to be entered against a PO? In this case, yes. And then we'll simply click Generate Job Aid. So here we are. We have a message saying, thanks for filling out the form. Based off the details provided, we'll be able to create and send you a custom job aid to your email immediately. So we'll hop over to my email. We'll give it a quick refresh. And you can see here I have a new email with a new set of job aid instructions, including a link to the actual instructions themselves. So we'll click that. And we can see here it's just been generated. Today's date, Ariba. We'll click inside. We have our brand new custom job aid created for us. If we go to the first slide, you can see here we are using PO invoices, and we have included our custom information, our password. So it's really simple, guys. It's a quick and dirty example, but the way we did it essentially was by utilizing a master template and including only the information that is necessary based off of the initial responses in the form. So you can see here that there's 9 slides total, and that ours that we created only has 6 because we pulled in only the pertinent information. And then you can see here an example of a key variable that we replaced. In this case, it was just login info. But all of that stuff around line items, any decision, any field, any data, we'll be able to replace anywhere within your custom documents, PPT, PowerPoints, whatever it may be, to create your custom generated job aid. So not much more to say there. How it works, how we built it, pretty simple as well. Didn't take long at all. Here we have our Solution Studio. We have our form. So once the form is complete, we sent a response back saying, hey, don't worry, it's being sent to your email. In the meantime, we've updated a job aid reference document where really just all the business logic is stored. So based off of what responses, we'll look here to see what we should include, not include, and replace. Then finally, we created the actual job aid itself from our master template, like I showed. And then finally, we simply emailed it to the requester. So super simple stuff, but will save everyone a tremendous amount of time. Hopefully this helps, gets you guys thinking. Until next time, take care.